Hi, I'm Michaelangelo Cieri. I am an attorney here at Richmond Vona. I've been practicing for about 13 years, mostly in personal injury, neglect cases, nursing homes, motor vehicles, and premises cases. I'm born and raised in Buffalo, lived here almost my whole life outside of a few years when I went to law school. And even when I left for law school, I knew my goal was to come back to Buffalo and practice in the community where I grew up. When these clients come to us for help, it is a really good feeling that they trust us to be the ones to help them. For me personally, I've been practicing since 2011, but in 2018, I myself was in a motor vehicle collision, a pretty serious one. I was T-boned, I ended up having back and neck surgery, so now I even have a much more personalized idea of what somebody goes through, and so I'm able to give that empathy to our clients. You know, a lot of people who come to us are parents, they are workers, they are wives, husbands, they are sons, daughters, whatever it is. And one of their biggest concerns is just, how do I move forward? How do I get back to my normal life? And having gone through that car crash, I think I can really connect with them and help work them towards what a normal life will look like for them, whether that's getting them back to where they were before the crash or helping them maximize what their new life is going to look like afterwards. Being able to watch clients, see their faces when they realize that the case is over, they're getting the closure they deserve, and the justice that they've been looking for is exactly why I'm here. My promise to clients is always that I will take your case seriously. I will treat you as if you were a family member in the same situation. And my goal is to always make sure that when the case is over, there's nothing that I would look back on and say, I wish I had done this differently.